Hey guys, this is Merik Dakhar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to revise effectively and which method we should use for revision. So watch this video till the end. If you're getting value out from this video, then smash the like button. Watch this video till the end. I have a surprise giveaway for you. You will get information about giveaway at the end of this video. Revision is important for long-term memory, but we can't revise from books or lectures. So I use two platforms for effective revision. First is Anki and second is Picmonic. Anki is a flashcard program which is based on space repetition method and Picmonic is based on visual mnemonic method. By the help of these methods, we can revise effectively. I use Picmonic to revise difficult topics and subjects like microbiology, anatomy and pharmacology. It summarizes topics into the short videos. Videos are story based so we can memorize quickly. If you have to memorize a long paragraph, then it is difficult to memorize. But if you listen a story or watch a movie, then you will remember it for a long time. So Picmonic works like that. It converts difficult terms into the funny and interesting characters and create a story around it. Then we can memorize easily for a long time. For example, I want to learn about penicillin and its facts. Then Picmonic convert it into a character and create a story by the help of its facts. I am using Picmonic for last 3 months. And it works effectively for me. I recommend you to use it once. Now I will talk about how to use Picmonic effectively. If you use Picmonic with Anki, then it will be very beneficial for your revision. If you don't know about Anki and space repetition, then you should watch my last video. Click on the I button and check it out. If you use both methods for revision, then you can memorize difficult information easily. So Picmonic has launched its Anki add-on. By the help of this add-on, you can use Picmonic and Anki together. After installing this add-on, you can access every Picmonic thumbnail and high-yield fact straight from Anki app. If you have free account or premium account, then you can watch Picmonic videos. So create your account now. Link is given in description. It is free for all. By the help of both platforms, you can memorize difficult topics fast during your space repetition. This add-on works on all your decks, whether it's pre-made or self-made. It is free for all, you should use it once. Now I will talk about benefits of Picmonic add-on. First, it saves our valuable time. You will get immediate pop-up explanations of high-yield terms and instant access to mnemonic videos on the Anki app. It increases our understanding. We can master the key facts that we are most likely to see in NEXT, NEET PG and FMGE exams. And third, improve long-term retention. Space repetition and its unforgettable mnemonics really help us to memorize difficult key facts. So download this amazing add-on from their official website. I have mentioned the link in description. It will be beneficial for you. Now I have an amazing giveaway for you. Picmonic is giving 6 months premium subscription to one lucky winner. You may be lucky winner, so participate in this giveaway and chance to win it. For participating in this giveaway, you have to subscribe this channel, like and share this video and fill up the form which I mentioned in description. I will announce the name of winner on my Instagram, so follow me there and stay tuned. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video till the end.